Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable stored photos on eBay account. So first we're going to go to our eBay app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then here we're going to click on My eBay. Then next we're going to click on the settings button. Then here you're going to click on stored photos. As you can see, the stored photos is turned off. You're going to turn it on. So what it does is photos taken in listings or reviews will be stored in this album on your device. So that's the importance of this setting, and that's how you do it. As I told you, we have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.